If you're working with video, there's really no way around the editing process. You can't make a final stunning video just by recording a one take. At least that will require a lot of practice. So most videos are made in the edit, as people say. Honing your editing skill will be a very important tool for you to be able to make some stunning video results. In this Final Cut Pro tutorial, I will take you through the basics working with video, from importing raw footage to editing and working with the magnetic timeline. I will show you how to add effects and using plugins, as well as how you render the video into a final product. So by completing this course, you will have a toolbox of the most basic skills that you need to crush the video game. You don't need to have any prior experience with editing video. I will take you through the full process and equip you with the tools that you need to have basic editing skills. I don't believe in one-way communication or one-way teaching. This is between you and I. That's why I've recorded some footage for you to get you started. In this way, you can be using this exact same footage that I'm using that will make it very easy for you to follow along. Final Cut Pro X is a paid software, so if you don't already own the software, you have access to a 30-day free trial. In this way, you can free of charge test out if Final Cut is the right editing software for you. With that being said, Final Cut Pro is probably one of the best video editing software that's out there. It works very flawless and very efficient, and it's fast even on older hardware. I've been using this software for the last 3 years, and I don't regret paying the money to get it. And the best part is that it's very easy to learn. So I'm very eager to get going with this class to show you how easy it actually is. You will also, through this course, learn a few secrets that I've discovered over the years, and also learn how to streamline your workflow. So I hope you're all pumped up and ready to go learning Final Cut Pro. Let's get started.